Hi, welcome back to a new episode on the channel. It's been a while since I uploaded something, but I did some things off camera. This leg load, I put it on because in the morning and in the evening it is just to chill, to ride your motorcycle, but with this I can easily drive with it. I can also put it down, so I don't need it when it is hot. And what I also did is change out the front wheels for some new black ones. I need some new tires because these are almost gone, and for my safety I want some new ones on this. So I can buy new tires, but for the same money I can buy new rims in black and brand new tires for the front and the rear. But the rear I didn't change out because they got enough meat on it. So when this is gone, I have a fresh new one with a black rim also. But to change that out, I must take off all of this. And it's not good. So what I did, when I changed out the front wheels, I put them here on the stand. I put a jack here, and here is our iron piece. So what I did, I put this under. And gently lift it up. What you see will happen, the front wheel will come off the ground, and this is how I change the front wheels. What I also did is put a 10-inch screen in front of it with Android Auto. So the navigation and all the things that I can do with the Android Auto, I can now do on my motorcycle. I can connect it with Bluetooth with my helmet, so I can listen to the radio, make phone calls, listen to the navigation and everything. Let's show you what the screen will look like. So this is the screen that I put on. It's a large screen. This normally was down here, but because I'm very tall and I'm looking over the screen, this is not in my way. But I can read the kilometers or the miles per hour that I'm driving, because this is when I'm steering, it's not very good to see. This bulb is in the way and it is not safe for me to look down for the speed when I can just see it right up here. But it is a big screen with navigation on it. And if you can see, it is very nice to have it in the front. It's covered up with this windscreen, so the rain will not come here. When I'm at home, I can put it under here, so it is dry. And at my work, I can put it dry, park it dry also. The camera system I put here, because when I need the footage, I can take out the SD card and I can use the footage. So the next thing what I want to do is change out the headlights, the light bulbs, because there are normal bulbs inside now, and I want to change them to LED. LED, the better seeing, people can see me better. It's better lighting in the evening when it's dark. I can see more on the road. It's safe for me. So let's put in some lights. Let's put out the front off and put some new lights in. In this model, there is a H1, the lights that I can put in. So let's move the motorcycle and take out the front and change out the light. can see the connector is not so good. I will clean this out and then it will be perfect again. So there was a short episode for this time. I also made some changes to my car. I put the seat, the passenger seat, I raised it up a little bit and I put some LED lights in it. And I want to change something more, but this is for another episode. So in this episode I'm showing you the leg load I put on the screen, but I did that off camera. I showed you how to put in the LED headlights. For the rear, I want to change this out to LED also, and I want to make some lights here in this suitcase. For when I'm braking, the lights will pop up. But that is for another episode. So thank you for watching. If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. Put the post notifications on, then you don't miss out on anything. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 1000 people. It's a goal for me. So please subscribe and put the post notifications on and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.